Hi guys, how you all doing?
Hey, how y'all doing?
So he's driving and we are going to, where are we going?
Where are we going? Oh yeah, Renaissance Festival.
We're going to the Renaissance Festival. So we used to go to this festival like every year, and then I don't know what happened. I think we just got really busy with life and I don't know. But we want to start, I want to start going back and, you know, doing more things with each other on the weekend and things of that nature. We used to make a point.
Bunty's Mill Road.
You're rude, Garmin. We used to make a point to, no, you don't have to turn down the volume.
You sure?
Yeah. We used to make a point to make sure we spent at least one day out of the weekend together and did something. And I really want to get back to doing that.
Yeah, so do I. And we had some good times doing that.
We did. I remember at one point we were like going out of town almost every single weekend, like every other weekend. I would find some kind of cheap little place to go. We would go out of town. I think I kind of want to do that.
Would you want to do it as a timeshare?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you all about that. But yeah, I do think I would want to do that. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Ooh, that was dangerous.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't have to be a timeshare, but we used to do a lot of timeshares.
Yeah.
I don't think you know what, when we did that, I don't think we paid for any of the vacations we went on because I was still in college, wasn't I?
Yeah.
I was still in college. We weren't paying for nothing.
So why don't we do that again?
So let's do that again. But I just want to tell you all, we're going to the Renaissance Festival. We're going to take you all with us to the Renaissance Festival and, yeah, spend a day with us. Not a whole day, but, you know, a snippet of our life. Okay, we're here. So we finally made it. It didn't take that long. It took what?
Half hour.
About a half hour. So we're here and we made it, and we have parked, and there's no true parking lot. It's just like a grass lot, and we're gonna go ahead and walk in. We got a Groupon for this, and so instead of it being, how much was it originally, like 30 bucks?
I think.
It's like only 17. So we're gonna take you all in.
Put the Groupons back here, babe.
So Eric has our tickets. And I'm gonna turn you all around so you all can see what we're seeing. It's like the majority of the people are leaving right now, which will be good for us. So, but look, this is how the sign looks. They changed it a little bit since